Aloha guys, welcome back. This is Ukulele FPV. I know it's been a while. Sorry, I've been just doing a few too many things in my life right now, but I have quite a few different reviews coming up. The first one is going to be this frame from Iflight. I got this off of Amazon for about $45 and it is my next build. It's going to be a 6S build, so I will be going over all of the components of that build in a later video, but at this time we're just going to be looking at the frame. So what comes in the box? In the box we first get our instructions that tell us how to assemble it with all the different screws, and it is a 5mm thick arm, so it should be pretty strong. This one is a super low frame, so the standoffs are only 15mm. We also get two battery straps with Iflight on them. Came with a little adapter for a micro camera because this is originally made for a full-size camera, but it's kind enough of them to send this little 3D printed attachment with nuts in there, so it should be pretty strong and hold up well. Comes with a foam battery pad for the top, the landing gears, all the different standoffs, nuts and props, and then it looks like another little camera holder that goes around the standoffs like most other people will print, and if depending on how far wide the standoffs are, we get some stickers and then the carbon itself. And the carbon itself is chamfered, so that means that around the edges it is sanded down so that it doesn't have any sharp edges, and the carbon feels really nice, and being 5mm, these arms shouldn't break very easily. Anyway, I will put it together real quick and then we will look at it again. Alright guys, I am back. I have built up the quad. Feels nice and sturdy. And I saw a video about a review about this before. Albert Kim did one, and it looks like they didn't provide him with the different nuts and bolts that go into the 20x20 layout right there. And they've given us some press fit nuts that go in the 20x20 and some flathead screws that go in the bottom that lay flush with the carbon. It looks like they did that to improve the stability of the arms and strengthen it so that it's not just holding the plastic standoffs that are right here. As I said before, this is a 15mm slam deck, so it's really tight in there. You have to think about what you're going to be using as component wise, and the arms here are longer than 5-inch, so it can hold a 5.5-inch propeller or smaller. I'm going to be running a 5.5-inch when possible with a 6-inch battery. Right here is the China Hobby Line 1250 mAh China 6S battery, and as you see, it is huge compared to this frame, and that will be able to give me really long flight times so I can do some long distance here. The frame itself, we will see how much it weighs. And it's saying that it weighs 112 grams total, so that's not too bad. It is pretty lightweight for how big it is. They actually make some of these with interchangeable arms, so you can go up to 6-inch and even 7-inch propellers if you want to do that. I'm not sure if they designed this specifically for long range, but it is a lightweight slam deck, and I'm going to be using it for freestyle and long range. I'm really excited about this. I have not flown 6S yet. I'm going to be getting some of their tachyon motors, the 2207s, 1750 kV, or the 24, and then doing a throttle curve for the 6S so I can also fly my 4S packs on it. I think it looks like a really good frame. I like the way it looks. It's very similar to all their other ones, except this one has thicker arms for durability, and as I said, for the type of frame it is, to be 115 grams is really good actually. So I will have another video out with the different components that I will be putting in this, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Aloha.